Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick video so I can answer some few questions about some of the sound chips that I put into the dashboard on my new install. The final video is still coming, this isn't it, but let me go ahead and get the dash turned on. Okay, now this is my new setup with the dashboard. You really can't tell right now other than the fact those are my new overlays and those are the new acrylics in there. But anywho, on my pods, let's see, what did we do? Oh yeah, let's see, boost 2. Passive laser restraint system, which was of course his version of the seat belt, right? And manual override, so when Kit don't behave. That one's kind of long. And good old turbo boost. Which is the same as my boost button. And how could it be complete without the eject button? Now on the other pod, over here, similar sound effects, of course, boost and turbo boost, or boost and rocket boost. I use the turbo boost sound, which I can turn it off too if I want. Oil slick, of course, you know that's my real oil slick. Rocket boost is another boost sound, and eject left. But that's using those micro soundboards I was referring to before. They're really easy to hook up. These you really don't need a relay for because they're so small and they really don't require much more than 9 volts. You can simply do that with a power adapter running off a 12-volt signal going down to 9 volts. But for right now, this is probably the newest video of after my refit, but this one's just to demonstrate some of the sound functions of the pods for now. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.